Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 3T10 4G, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to enter the home screen and wallpapers. As you can see, we've got the section and directly connected with them. Now let's tap on the wallpapers, and here we've got 3 different albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from live wallpapers, from Google Photos, which is basically your own gallery, or the wallpapers which are currently and defaultly installed on this device. So let me pick something from those options, and as you can see, after entering this album, you will also be able to enter my photo, so you don't have to get back to the previous step if you will change your mind and if you will decide that you want to set your own photo as a wallpaper. We've got also recently used, and under it we've got pre-installed, defaultly installed options from which we can choose. And if you'd like to check the preview of it, simply tap on it. And as you can see, it will immediately appear right here, so you can check how it will look like on the home screen with all apps on it. After tapping on it, you can check the lock screen. What's more, just by swiping you can change the defaultly installed options, so you don't have to get back to the list of them. You can just swipe. And basically, if you're happy with your choice, you can either tap on done and it will be set only on the home screen, or after tapping on it on the lock screen, or you can simply set on both. And I will pick this option, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied, so we can go back and check. And here we've got the wallpaper which has been applied to the home page and also to the lock screen. Let's check. And as you can see, we've got the lock screen. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Alcatel 3T10 and 4G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.